Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video we will take a quick look at overnight finance and more specifically two new features that make the life of DeFi enthusiasts more easy for putting their money to use and acquire the tokens they require. If you're not familiar with overnight finance as it mentions here is an asset management protocol offering passive yield product based on delta neural strategies primarily for conservative stablecoin investors. If we browse a bit through the website, we can see that they offer three products, each with their own risk return ratio. There's low risk, medium risk, and high risk, each with their relative returns. So depending on what your risk appetite is, you can choose your preferred product with their related APIs. Now, in today recently, Overnight Finance, they released two interesting features, which we will take a look. This is in the ZAP, and more specifically, it's related to the swap feature and the ZAP feature to the pools. For the swap feature, they made it so easily that now you can swap any token on the chain that you are operating, in this case the Binance Smart Chain, to any of the overnight tokens. What does this mean? If we would go to select token and browse through the endless token list, for example, I have some Thena token, one of the BSC layer liquidity providers, or if I have some Phantom, you can see the list of tokens is endless, and if you select any of those, you can simply swap them for one of the overnight tokens. So in this case, I will just stick to BNB, and let's say I'll go to the stable overnight token USD plus, and I will swap around $12, swap that for USD, just one click to swap it, confirm it in your MetaMask, wait for the transaction to go through, and once the transaction goes through, we can see that we successfully swapped, and that's just in a matter of seconds. So the easy part of this is that sometimes with DEXs or even central exchanges, you can only swap in one particular token to another. Usually it's BNB to the preferred token, but with Overnight's new swap feature, you can select any token that you want to the overnight tokens. So now we have our USD plus. Another new feature, as I mentioned, is the ZAP feature, where we can zap our preferred token to any of the pools. In here, there are different chains. Let's stick just to the BNB chain and go with the USD plus liquidity pool from Thena. And here you can see the ZAP feature. So with the ZAP feature, again, if we select this, I can select one token that I want to zap, and then this ZAP feature will automatically change this token into my LP and stake it into the pool, earning my yields, in this case USDT plus and USD plus. So again, let's select our token. I'll go for the token that is available for me. Let's see if we can find Binance, or we will. So in here, we're just gonna take this one, or actually, let's make it easy. We're going with USD plus, and we're gonna zap all of it into the LP of Thena with the current APR of 12.69%. So here you can see the steps. we would have to approve, deposit, approve, and stake the LP. With the ZAP feature, everything is done automatically for you and no hassle of creating LP, staking LP, just it does everything for you automatically. So now we approve our MetaMask and wait for the first step to go through. So we approved it. Now we need to deposit our tokens, confirm once more in our MetaMask. So now the third step, third approval. And then finally we will stake our LP, which then immediately will start earning rewards. Final step to stake the LP. And shortly we would get the confirmation. So now we have successfully staked in the pool on Tina, and what we swapped and what we got in the LP. And then if you want to check your pool, you can always go and visit the Tina website, manage it, add more liquidity, which can be done here, or withdraw your liquidity. So in conclusion, with these two new features, it's really easy to swap your tokens that you wish to overnight tokens and zap with just one simple click your token that you want to any of the pools from this site. And as said, there are different network, optimism, arbitrum, all of them where you can see the zap feature and that you can zap into. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for today. Thanks and see you in the next video.